All right, so I have the Rode studio arm right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up right here. I don't know why I just came with a country accent, but I'm gonna keep on going with it. So right here, it says right here, this PSA1 studio arm, the professional way to mount your microphone to a worktop or studio desk. Rotates about 360 degrees, maximum reach of about 32.5 horizontally, that's inches right there, and about 33 inches vertically. Includes 2 desk mounting options, 2 access swivel mounts for accurate positioning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at it from the bottom right here. Go ahead and pull it out. A lot of pieces in here. So I'm just gonna look at it just briefly. Comes with that right there, and a PSA1 instruction manual. Clamps that go on the bottom right there to hook on top of your desk right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up so you can see what it looks like. And you see this is the clamp that goes directly on to the table or desk or whatever you're going to connect it to, I reckon. We're just going to go ahead and pull this out right here. And so this is the connection. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more of this. Open it up like that. It's a little tight, but suggest you get scissors to it before you do that, and go ahead and unravel it a little bit. So right here, I might have to get scissors to undo this right here, because that right there is zip tie. So this right here, spring loaded. I'm gonna go ahead. Whoa. Yes, it is spring loaded. So you have this right here. Inside of the box right here is, what is this? This is for, not sure exactly. I think this is for the top part right here. I don't know, figure it out. All right, so this is for the table. Goes in right there, and it just sits on there like that once you have it clamped on. This part right here is for the microphone. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I'll figure it out later.